Woodpeckers, welcome back. Welcome back to Wood and Whiskey Wednesday. I'm Steven. This is in the shop. What we're gonna do is we're gonna build a small fire, have s'mores the right way. But we're gonna start with that good old Jack Daniel's apple. First one's always to you. Our faithful little old puppy loves the fire. He doesn't always move. We'll see. We didn't start the fire. No, we did. We actually started the fire. How do y'all make your s'mores? We treated this time. I went and got a box. If I get this box open. Dad tags. So we're in that weird transition time when it's really cold in the morning, hot in the afternoon, cold again at night. I do like the fall. I love being able to start a fire and sitting out back, enjoying life. Then you gotta come back into the shop. You come back in the shop, and I look around and I see all of this wasted wood that normally goes into a fire. Well, this week I've had more than enough time to think of how I can reuse some of that wood instead of putting it all into the fire. And some of the clips that you've seen earlier were those offcuts. Those cuts I really couldn't do anything with. But the vast majority of the stuff that you're gonna see here in a second, I would normally just throw them in a fire. But I repurposed them. And the projects that we made, they're gonna be for the house, is all reclaimed wood that just would have been burned. Kind of happy with the way things came out. Do one last one for Halloween, and that's gonna be a little basket that we sit in our driveway and we hand out candy in. We normally use just the plastic bucket that we've had for I don't know how many years. But this year I think we're gonna go with what I made yesterday, day before yesterday. And then we transition into a bunch of things for the holidays. Super excited. My cutoff pile has gotten larger and larger. So I'm going to turn these into a few different projects. But I gotta find out what's the smallest piece that I have and cut all of them down to that size. Please subscribe and like the video. Back to sawing.
those of you that actually do woodworking, what's your go-to winter project? So you see what we started a little bit, through this week, transitioning from our October funness to our winter side of the house. What are y'all making? That is how you make a s'more. So are you building gifts this year? Or are you just gonna buy them? And are you gonna buy them? Or are you gonna buy from me? So this one was my what are you thinking project. I had no idea what I was gonna make with it. I didn't even have the right tools. A bad concept, but it just goes back into the fire. Some projects are just like that. Some projects just outlast their use. Other projects you just find another use for. So a couple episodes back, I talked about how I don't ever know what to do with pallets. I found something to do with one. I'm turning this into a sled. Little we believe in magic. I think we're gonna put it out by the either the door or the fireplace. So a few other ones that we made this week is this little hot chocolate bar. Love it. Little Santa's workshop, and my wife did all the staging for me. She really made it so that the products pop more than what they would on their own. So friends, I think that's gonna do it for this episode. We're gonna sit out here and hang by the fire for a little longer. We do appreciate you. We do look forward to November. Are very thankful. Can't wait to give away whatever sign we're gonna make. But until next week, saw, sand, sip, and this Applejack is still really freaking good to repeat. Bye, y'all.